Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Renault Kadjar. So from any screen, we'll just click back, navigation, destination, route, traffic, destination, address. Now you've got country, city, street. We'll go for city. I'm going to try and put, there you go, enter city name or postcode. So I'm going to put postcode in. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P, R. We need to go to numbers, so we click 1, 2, 3 there. 5, I need a space because it's then 4, back to the alphabet, E, A. Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston. Click on that. Select, and it's basically we sat on the forecourt, but anyway. So click select again. This location is too close. Your position route cancel. Otherwise, it'd direct me to it.